Look at that.
Thrown in a dumpster.
Dude, his body is his head's off.
No, that's just his head.
My man just wants to live a normal fucking life. They chopped up the chainsaw. He's alive. Tastes the blood. Flashback.
ポチタ仕事に行くぜ
You, that's cute though. Man, he's a chainsaw after all.
ポチタ
There's a good chance I'm
俺は
gonna
悪魔
die
と戦って
fighting
るう
that
ちに
devil.
死ぬかもしれないそうしたらポチタだけが心
Leaving
残り
you
だ
on your own.
腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし
Your Benji's a real one,
他のデ
fam.
ビルハンターに殺されるかもしれない悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるや
Take
つがいるらしい
over dead bodies. If that's something you can do, there, fam. Chainsaw Man is
見
born.
てんだ墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろそんで
So the guy
この
that
町を出て
is hiring him to kill
そん
devils
で
got his body taken over. Maybe that's why.
普通の暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい
Man, that's the most cutest shit ever.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ
Gotta make my dream come true. Big time.
Dog is gonna take his body.
So he dies, and he basically goes into him. His body's getting back. His heart's beating again.
Yeah!
Get your ass up. Commit a massacre, fam.
Chainsaw Man, baby.
ポチタ
Oh.
俺の体
Did you take my
Santo
body
Baita
like
ka?
I said? Yes.
私は
I always loved
デンジ
hearing
の
you
夢の
talk
話を
about
聞く
your
のが好
dreams.
きだった
Speaking.
これは
Here's
契
the
約
deal.
だ
I'll give you my
私の心
heart.
臓をやる
Into what?
代わりに
I want you
デン
to
ジ
show
の夢を
me your. I
私
want
に
you
見
to
せて
show me your dreams. Days up.
Oh!
We don't see the chainsaw yet.
傷が
He's inside of him. Pochita, yo!
Man!
Yo, it's been a good episode.
Oh.
The shock scene in my life. And he's alive?
That's so
You're alive after being sliced up?
Man!
やっぱ僕
That's
デビル
so
ハンター
sad!
嫌いみんなそいつ食べちゃって
Let's go! Here we go! Bring the chainsaw out! I'm walking dead, fam!
こいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を
Breathe in it!
Let's see it!
俺も同じか
Like to say?
ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくてもっといい生
Don't
活を
worry
夢
about
に
the
見た
Brit. Is that a sin?
Part of you now.
No, it's not. I guess we all dream about stuff like that.
Show me your dreams.
じゃあ悪いことじゃねえ悪いことじゃねえけど邪魔すんなら
It's like a trigger! The jump on him!
They're all about to get
They're fighting!
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだ
He's
ろ
gonna reach through in it! He has to! That many people on top of you! Can you hear it? The chainsaw? He knows. No! No! Fuck! Yo! My man is badass!
He looks awesome.
His arms are chainsaws! His head's a chainsaw!
さっきのザコ悪魔が体を乗っ取っ
They
た
have combined? You entered? That means you're one of us!
Oh, it's done.
God damn!
Look at this automation.
Bloodthirsty!
Wow.
Run for him! Recopito! Remember! Go on!
Easy.
terrified! Look at the animation, fam! Give us more blood!
Animation.
No!
Wow.
Look at the camera work! The man fucking made me put through the rope! Deeper!
Turns it up a notch. Wow.
Chucked him in off! Denji!
That's
Look at the
sick.
blood on his body. Is that CGI? It was moving
あんた
slow.
たちの方は心まで悪魔になっちまったみたいだな。デビルハンターとして雇われてるからにゃ悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。
Have you seen an anime? Don't this explicit!
全員殺せばよ。
The man fam!
バーだぜ。
Look at the excitement this has given him! Fam! I thought Tokyo Ghoul was graphic! I feel like within all this, there's like a story that I'd enjoy. Other than all the graphic, the blood, the killing. They're gonna see the massacre in it, eh? Fam, look at that! Someone got here before us! There he is. Man just standing there like he's innocent. And oh shit, I got caught! There's still one alive.
She has a feeling already.
Run, fam.
Kimi,
You've got
変
a
わった匂い
strange
がする
smell.
ね。人でも悪魔
Not
で
like
も
a
ない
human
匂い
or。a devil.
これ、君がやったの？
Say no, he can make us no. I'm innocent. Hug me. He collapses! She does! My man's just trying to find a bit of life. There, like he feels the warmth of love. The chainsaw breaks. This is what he wants. He's human.
悪魔による
Any
乗っ取りを
chance he's
かわす
possessed?
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかる。
No, she's the keeper, fam.
私はゾンビの
I came here to kill the zombie devil.
公安のデビルハンター
Devil hunter with public safety. He already done the killing. So we can team up.
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔
I
として
can kill you
私を
like a
殺せる
devil.
か
Ain't gonna happen.
人と
Or I
して
can keep
私
you,
に
keep
飼
you as a human.
飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
You are fed. That's basically what he wants. Feeding man end up being with him to be honest, because he does want a girl too.
餌って朝飯はどんな
It's the small things, fam.
食パンにバターとジャムがあって、サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザート。
It's like Tama in One Piece, fam. Remember, boys? The small thing like the rice and shit. Yo, fam! This was a sick episode!
こうじゃないっすか。
Honestly! Dudes, remember from the trailers we see